So what does this combination of next-gen data platform and AI engines actually mean? Well, first of all, it allows us to introduce entirely new types of analysis, like including oil analysis directly into the machine health environment. It allows us to take in entirely new types of sensors, like ultrasound, to explore those use cases. But it also allows us to take the opportunity to look at how we can automate some of the more typical tasks in manufacturing, like lubrication, or as we would say, condition-based auto lubrication, where now machine health dictates to solve one of the most common challenges in manufacturing, while eliminating the need for people to do menial tasks and route-based lubrication. Imagine being able to take more than 300 types of machines across all your environments with rich and accurate diagnostics, including your low RPM equipment, your non-stationary equipment, your fast-moving intermittent machines. But we're already looking at the next boundary, the ability to take operational and process-related faults and bring those into the machine health platform. As Gal mentioned earlier, we call that fusion diagnostics, but it's a real thing. And we're already beginning to deploy that with customers today to begin to help them find the value of these expanded and enriched data sets. Imagine being able to go from a single source of mechanical insights to these multi-source contextualized insights across all of your production, allowing your process and reliability teams to work in one platform to change how production is manufactured.